Hi everyone! In this video, I'm going to show you how to mobile deposit a check on Cash App. Let's get started. First, open the Cash App on your phone. Once you're on the home screen, look at the bottom left corner and tap directly on your cash balance. This will take you to the banking screen. Here, you'll see several options. Scroll down through this menu until you find the option that is specifically labeled Checks. Go ahead and tap on it. You will now arrive at the check deposit screen. To begin the process, tap the Continue button. The app will now ask you to enter the amount written on your check. Carefully type in the exact dollar amount. It is very important to double-check that the number you enter matches the amount printed on the front of your check exactly. After you have entered the amount correctly, the next step is to take photos of your check. You will need to capture both the front and the back of the check. Tap the camera button to begin. Follow the on-screen prompts carefully. Make sure the check is placed on a dark, flat surface with plenty of light. Position your phone so that all four corners of the check are clearly visible within the frame for each photo. Once you have successfully taken clear pictures of both the front and the back, tap the Submit button. Cash App will then verify all the check information. If all the details are correct and the check is valid, your deposit will be processed. The funds will typically be available in your account within 1 to 3 business days. Please note, if you do not see the Checks option in your app, this feature might not be available for your account yet. First, make sure your Cash App is updated to the latest version from the App Store. If the option is still missing, it's possible the feature has not been rolled out to your account. And that is the complete process for how to mobile deposit a check on Cash App.